Guys, my house help was doing some crazy things today. She was doing some cleaning, and this house stuffs are moving on. It's sunny nowadays. We're experiencing a lot of best sun. It's like summertime. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. It depends on the place you're watching from. My good name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. When I look for myself, I'm looking myself from this mirror. How is it things going? It's Adidas. It's a flat. Yeah, show some love by subscribing, liking, and sharing. On today's video is another special video, guys. And today it's a great day. And show some love by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. This video today, it's kind of a sad video, man. I'm not really feeling okay. Like, things are really not moving my way, man. I'm stuck, literally stuck. When I mean stuck. But this doesn't guarantee that life will not move on. Life still moves on, and life will still keep on moving on. So this day today, guys, I'm going around to check what's happening around, looking on stuffs. See, like a neighbor. See, this one really protects the chicken from not coming. You see, she has chicken from the other side, so she used this to prevent from this corner. And the good thing, like, we did fencing of this area using the barbed wire. So all the way, this is to keep good relationship with the neighbor from this side. So her chicken usually roam around there, And also, this was our store. There's a day I came and found a lot of eggs from this point. By that time, Go with Jay was rearing chicken, and he was selling them out. Some were not fully mature, like the one that you can say they're no more giving birth. No, they're no more laying eggs. Oh, do even chicken give birth? CJ, come on, man. Are you confused? What's up, man? That chicken gave birth. Hey, come on, bro. The chicken were laying eggs. So when they stayed here for almost like a month before being slaughtered, so they were moving around, eating, feeding up and down. So there's a day, so my dad was like, does this chicken really lay eggs? I was like, yeah, they usually lay eggs, but we don't know where they're laying eggs. So with me, I always move along the compound to check what's going on, moving around, checking, putting things in order, and moving up and down. So when I was moving this way, doing some cleaning, and that's why I'm telling you guys, you might not know. If you are this guy who's really waking up in the morning, maybe checking things if are in order, moving good, cleaning your compound, like you love cleanness, you never go wrong. Like, there's always that reward for you. Even if it's not today or tomorrow, there's that reward that is kept for you in heaven. So I was moving around, and I rechecked on the other side, and I found a lot of eggs. Like, there were almost 15 eggs. And the good thing and the funny thing with me is that I don't take eggs. I really don't take eggs. I'm allergic to eggs. My eyes are really itching. Oh my god, my eyes. Yeah, so I'm allergic to eggs. So when I found them there and my wife was around, I had to call her, and we picked those eggs, brought them here. Feel like sitting down. Sometimes when you have a very nice green grass, though sometimes they are kind of potty, clean and nice great green grass. So I called her, and she came. She picked it with a basket, and then she was using it to bake cakes and other stuffs. So that was a reward for me, who usually move around and check on things, making them on order. So guys, today it's another day. I want to be taking you on our dreamland also, because yesterday they were doing some development towards our road. So there was something, if you're not careful, like to tell them, okay, please guys, don't do this, don't do this, they will be doing what we call like meandering, and then they'll make your place. You find that if you have a car, or if you have a place that goes to your place, you'll find that they have really dismantled your road, you know, because they're dealing with the main road, they don't deal with the feeder roads. So I want to preserve, go there and check what's going on around. Our grandma, she's still sleeping and resting in peace. Bibi, I could have sung for you a song, hi doma, hi doma. Like right now, it could be the best time. Like right now, when I'm stressed and things are not moving on the way I'm supposed to, the way they are supposed to, I could have sat with Bibi. She could have encouraged me. She could have really motivated me, and she could have told me, grandson, things, don't take things the way they are. Just relax and things will move on your way. So for now, she's around here and she's having her own time. May her soul rest in peace. Grandma, one day I'll build you a mausoleum, a small mausoleum, just that catches from this place all the way to this other end, connect to this, and then we make some iron sheets, well, and then maybe if somebody comes, we have to hang your pictures around, and when maybe somebody wants to come and check on you and maybe want to converse with you, baby, you'll be there for us. So but for now, I haven't yet even constructed a small structure in my house, and then when I'll come, just put up a small mausoleum. Let's call it like a gazebo, but it's not a gazebo, it's a mausoleum also. Yeah, I have this fruit, it's called tomato fruit. My wife usually loves this, but I don't have a discussion. And then yeah, I want to harvest some sugarcane. There's some sugarcane here. I think this won't last long. I'm giving it 2 hours from now. I just have to enjoy it, you know, from this point or the other side. And I really love the environment today. It was sunny, and then now the weather has already changed. Things are not okay. The weather have changed, and that's how things are moving, you know. Yeah, so you see how clean our home is, and very nice. Guys, there's something I wanted to talk to you, but I'm like confused. How can I? But I'm a man, man. I'm a man. I have to. Our beautiful, this is our he-goat that is over here. I want to find a place to sit before even going to the land, so that I can definitely talk to you about this, you know. Me, I'm feeling like I can't take it anymore with this, you know. A lot of things have been happening. Things have been not moving on my way. This is our seats. There's a lot of shade from this point, so I'm looking for a better place where there's no those things that I told you there on the other video, that they always drop water, you know. If you're not careful, they dropped on me. Let me show you something. They dropped on me on this side. I don't know if you're able to see it. This side, you see that point, that place, and this one. So you see how it has brought my skin. It has really destroyed my. But I went to the doctor, and they gave me some ointment to apply there. So I'm applying it. This was caused by, I don't suggest it's a bacterial infection. That I was tying some goats from the other side. You see where the goats are? I don't know if you're able to see where the goats are. Yeah, definitely there. So I was tying the goat, and then later on there was a droplet. So I wiped it. So not knowing that it was a drop from, I thought it was rain. So when looking up, I saw those things. They are agglutinating together, and then it started itching. I need to brought something like a ringworm, you know. Yeah, so yeah guys, today I'm not even feeling like eating this. I've seen this. I've remembered my wife. She used to love eating this. I think even sitting over here, it's so exhausting. So I have to go to the farm there. There's where I get peace. Anyway, guys, I just think that there's some ballast that are going with them. Yeah, as long as I'm having peace of my heart, that's it. I'll just try to explain why. Yeah, but things are not really working on well as I expected. So we are not in good terms, let me say so. So just have to go check on the development of our farm and road, and yeah, we see what stuffs are going on. Anyway, okay. So had some gumboots here. I have to put them on and head to the farm. And with me, sometimes I usually walk with gumboots because you can go with the gumboots at the car. Yeah, you go with the gumboots. You know, sometimes you might not know when and where to. You just move from the house when you're going somewhere. It rains, so it's better for you to move on with gumboots. But for now, I'm trying to put up the gumboots. But I want to go to the farm. But today I woke up doing some cleaning. I don't know why I never documented it. Doing some cleaning. That's why you see our home. Home looks clean and nice. Very great. Looks very clean. Yeah. Am I even putting on this? Just like that. Pull up your socks. Now it's time for Claude to pull up the socks. Pulling up the socks. When somebody tells you pull up your socks, that means you have to improve. Now I'm pulling up my socks. After this, have you ever put on socks with one hand, just like that? Just like that. Have to balance it well. Topka. So it's like you pour top. So just like that. Anyway, things are cool. You should be in here. Don't mind, guys. It's a farm car. It is a farm car. So let me go to the farm, check what's going on. Maybe tomorrow I'll be putting up the fertilizers again, and the maize can move on. Like before I build there, I have to put up some good things like maize, like trying to make the farm active, making it active. And also, you know, for now schools are closing. Maybe my brother will be helping me. Let's go and see. Okay. So guys, let me just go to the farm and sit there so that I can check what's going on around. Because right now, when I'm driving this motor, it's just not okay. A little stressed, but okay. But anyway, it's part of life. Now you don't want to just keep on moving here and there. Or even if I cry, it has happened. No. Whatever is whatever. Whatever is whatever. Let me check and see. Let me proceed and go see. These are funny roads, guys. Yay. complain too much. If you complain too much, they'll get you off guard. So you don't have to complain. And when you complain, they'll use they'll use that complaint as a weapon to destroy you completely. So it's good we move. Let me go to the farm. Our dumping site. Our dumping site. Look at the county come and they block this place. They put up a wall. I think the wall here can help. I have no idea. No, the funny thing with the government is those who are in power. This guy fell down completely. Those who are in power have no idea. And those who are not in power, sufficient ideas in their heads. The moment they are in the power, like me, I'm suggesting there to be put a wall because it looks very crazy even to the eyes of passerbys. But when there's a wall, they can dump as much as they can without us watching them dumping those shits there. The road is not roading. Crazy. Let's go. The good thing is our road here is marked. It's marked very well. Being point loads. Let's see. Let's keep on moving. I usually love this environment of this place, man. Like how the trees are moving around, trees are growing. I would love my compound to be like this some days. Pole, in no hurry. Hi. Yes, so we are moving just like that. Moving pole, guys. No hurry. No stress, no rest. Oh. They started plowing or maintaining the road. But still it has some potholes. From this place seems to be good development. Yeah. So I was talking a place like this, guys. So if you don't watch them well, they will definitely do what you call like don't make a space towards your home, you know. Let me see what's going on. So the road was made very well and great. Whoa Zulu. At least Everything's moving on. Ooh la la. This place was bad. At least when it rains, the water will flow somewhere else. Okay. Let's check on. Things are moving on well. Woods. Great. By the time I'll be at the farm, my mind will be at least kicking on well. You know. By the time I'll be at the farm, my mind will be very much okay. For things, it's life. Look at the view, guys. Look at that view. The views are spectacular. Look at the sky. The sky is telling you what's up. At least this place is kinda clean. The other time we were coming here with the car and then it's bouncing up and down. You have no idea where to go. But for now you can move just slowly. Then you see what's going on around. Look at that, guys. Look at the view. The road was meant, but still it's not the way, man. But we have to be grateful, man. There are those, even their roads are not just like this, you know. That's why I'm forever grateful for everything, whether good or bad. It's coming my way, I'm grateful. I can't complain. There's nothing that I'll just complain about. Just do it, and it should be just like that. My good part is to show you the nature, Mother Nature, how nature is dealing with these stuffs. If you could have plowed this road during rainy season, hey, it would be impossible, not navigable. But still, this place was very bad, but now you can pass at least. Some people are complaining, why? This is how it's going on. This guy is still harvesting sand. His sand was taken off. It was wiped away. Ooh la la. I think the way he has made this way, the ridges, when it rains, the water will just flow on this side, not on top of the road. Oh. Let's wait and see. This is a place I'll be calling home, sweet home. And I'll definitely avoid my parents, and I'll be going there to say hi to them, and they'll be coming here to say hi. Sometimes even when I'm having a fight with the wife, they won't know. It will just be me, we solve things. But you know, there you can't even quarrel. You can't even just say why. No, there at home you can't even say no. You can't even say oh. When sometimes even you have a discussion, you have to keep quiet. You pretend it's a child who is being told. Hey, maybe if it's Mel or Maria. Hey Maria, what are you saying, Maria? You shouldn't do this. You pretend if it's your child. And it's you who is being told so. So you have to pretend, yeah, Maria, what's up? So that even the parents can't know that, or the brothers, or anybody around. So you definitely keep it low key. So, but here, maybe that neighbor, and how could this neighbor know when I'm having a wall here? Ah, just crazy. Anyway, let's go to the farm and chill. I was about to just go this side. Yesterday I was just doing some cleaning of the trees around. You see how these cypresses are growing up well. So just praying to Almighty God so that one night the rain can't cease. So I should bring a lot of this kind of cypresses I plant near all the way. You see also this side, cypress, another cypress, another cypress. Like the cypresses do well when you plant them on this side, so they definitely act as a fence and also as a flower. I could have gone to the neighbor to ask if they have my key, because the guy who sold me land, I gave him the key those days when I was bringing materials. Coco, Enrico, how you are? Yeah. Eriza na achira karen torosongoro. Yeah. Yeah, Coco. Iga. Guys, I was trying to ask if they have my key, because when the guy I bought land from them, and by that time I was in Mombasa. They used to bring materials around here. Used to bring materials, and I couldn't have. And I couldn't have run from Mombasa to come and open the gate, so I had to give them one key, so that when I'm far away, I can just bring them a call and tell them, okay, open for the materials to come in, for the truck, for the materials to come in, and that's how it should be. Yeah. So let me walk. I'm walking for the pole. You see this panya root, guys, I always close it every single time. When I come here, I close it, but they have made it as a gate. You see, they have made this place like a gate. They always pass from this place, this end. Yeah. They come, they steal kales, but it's a very safe place. I've heard some people saying that there's a theft. Maybe they steal small things like kales like this, but other things like but the moment you are staying here, there'll be no theft, you know. So I've heard people saying like, oh CJ, the other side is theft, there's this. No. My place is very safe, man. This place is very safe. That's why I chose this place. I chose this place because of the view, because of the nature, everything that you hear. Listen, like when you're here, wow, listen to that. And also the road, very free. You know, sometimes you better be in a place where no disturbance, even if you are alone, rather than being in a place where there's honey and milk but no peace at all. So that's how usually things and people happen. You choose where there's honey and milk but no peace at all. But you choose a place where there is maybe milk only or honey only, total peace. Yeah. So I'm happy that our kales are coming up well. So in a few months we'll be harvesting and we'll be having something to even put on the table. I'm planning to come put up something here. I've been saying so every single time, and even you guys, maybe you are tired of, I'll come and put. I want to put here small stuff right here, not even up there. No, up there it is near the road. I just want to put it here. You see here? Yeah, I can put it here or there, because I want to start taking off these materials, arrange them well, and I can put up even a small place where you can come and chill, like a gazebo place, you know. And also you see there's some boys who are coming to beat these fruits. They are green passion fruits, can call them so. So they are hitting them well, hitting them. Okay, kids are just kids. Let me sit here, tell you a story. Why I decided even to sit down and tell you a short story. I'm not okay. It's cool. It's a nice place. The reason why I love this place also is because of this bushy area. You know, nice and great. So yeah, so guys, I don't know if you see me well, or there's a lot of sun from the other side. So I wanted to tell you all that, guys. I've really stayed in marriage for almost 4 years now. Almost 4 years. And I can't see things moving on okay with me right now. So I'm feeling like I'm quitting. And not only quitting, but also just have to start figuring out things, how they're moving. And just like that. And sometimes I might be saying I'm sorry for this, to say this or to announce this, but on the other hand, that's how stuffs are going on. So I wanted to tell you that me and my wife, me and Howie, we are part. We are two ways. You know, we are parting ways. Just like that, we are parting ways. But maybe when things will just go on, because I've been telling you, like sometimes I might come here. Like the very reason why we are doing this is that I used to come and sit even on this farm, because me, I'm always 24 hours busy. I don't like to sit and do nothing. Maybe to go visit even friends and have some ideas what they're doing, check on what stuff they're doing, so that also, every single day you have to check on others so that you can learn and know how things are moving on. So my wife has been like, you're too much busy, you don't give me time. Like I'm like, which time, because we have been together, we have a child, and sometimes have to go out and look for even content. And most of the time, sometimes I come here, chill in this farm, check on how stuff, figure out what should I do first thing first. And when I'm going back late home, things change. Things change. You're like, oh, this and this, no time, no, and I'm like, okay, anyway, it's part of life. So I don't know if it's a breakup. It doesn't feel like a breakup. It feels like a short break. Sometimes somebody can be seeing you every single day, and it's like, okay, I want to change the environment. I want to go out, chill with friends. I want to go. Maybe that's what she's doing. But maybe, yeah. But I'm very saddened with this. I wanted to say this or to reveal this to anyone. Just wanted to maintain my inner peace, feel okay, and do stuff. But I was like, no, this is really burning me, and I can't keep it. And the moment I keep it every single time, I'm like, no, it's burning up, man. It's better. I'd rather just tell you the truth, that things are not really working okay the way they were supposed to work. And yeah, I'm breaking up. We are breaking up. We are not part. Yeah, I think that feels more of a shock or anything. It brought the child brought what we call like the key when I've already jumped in, because they cut a wire down there and I don't know who usually do such kind of things. Baba ameenda wapi? Ya kuju niambie, baba ameenda wapi?
Sijui pia alienda.
Hajamaliza kazi yangu. Akikuja mwambie mbona hajamaliza kazi yangu. Unasikia? Muulize anko alikuja akasema mbona hajamaliza kazi yake. Unasikia? Wewe unaitwa nani vizuri? Antonio. Umefunga shule? Okay. Uko namba ngapi? Uko namba ngapi?
Niko namba.
Guys, I'm trying to ask him, has he closed school? He says yes. So I'm asking him which position was he? And he's like, he's still thinking. Ulikuwa position ngapi? He's still thinking of the position. Anyway, the father is the one who usually looks after my stuffs here. Pole pole when I'm far.
Ilikuwa number 1.
Kweli mura. Number 1. Good boy. Na mbona nakushuku? Why am I doubting that number 1? Antonio. Why am I doubting that number 1? Mbona doubt? He says that he became number 1. I'm telling him, why am I doubting that number 1? Okay, naweza enda nione results zako. Kabisa. Kabisa. Ulipata meeting expectation ama exceeding expectations? Meeting expectations. Sio exceeding expectations. Sasa wewe umenidanganya. Exceeding expectations ndo ya kwanza na meeting expectation ya pili. Sasa ulikuwa namba 2. Kama ulipata meeting expectations, ulikuwa namba 2. Kama ulikuwa na exceeding expectations, ndio nione. Kabisa Antonio. Haya nitauliza baba yako. So I'm telling him, you know, in Kenya there's a system that's coming. Like us, we used to have position 1, position 2, position 3. We used not to have like exceeding, meeting, and below expectations. No, it was just above average and below average. But nowadays, the system has changed, and they have brought up a system whereby the kids have three ways, not 3 but 4, I think 4, where you definitely do. They tell you are, if you are really performing well, like maybe your subjects, you are getting your subjects from 90 and above, they tell you kweli nitamuuliza. They tell you exceeding expectations, that's the highest grade. But when you get the meeting expectation, that means you met what you expected. That is meeting expectation. That can be number 2, grade 2. And then grade 3, you have that is average expectation and below expectation. Now below expectation, that means you have failed. You know, you have failed. But anyway, let's congratulate Antonio. Antonio said he got na position 1. Kura vitano Antonio. Kura gota bana. Kura vitano. Antonio told us that he was position 1, and we have to congratulate him, Antonio. But Antonio, your uncle is tired. Anyway, guys, that's it. Let's see what's going on around, and I'll definitely tell you the happenings, and all will be well. Welcome to April, and happy April. And when you know, you know. Happy April, guys. Happy April, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy April. Everyone hands up, one finger on the air. Say happy April. Happy April. Say happy April. Say happy April. Say happy April. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Bro, may I not find that you are just fooling me, that you got position 1? Is this not Fool's Day, bro? Yeah, many fool. We'll go position 1. Maybe, you know, this is the month of Fool's Day, so maybe he's fooling me that he got position 1. Anyway, guys, also this is Fool's Day. Anything said here, don't take it for granted. It's just like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave us a comment. And happy new month, April. Bye, guys.